everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. We left Nagoya this morning really early. We wake up I think 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
And the funny stuff, you know, in Japan always you get the fantastic transportation. Every 5 to 10 minutes you get a train, the metro, whatever you want to move. But because today is Sunday, we woke up 5 o'clock and we thought, okay, let's catch the metro and go to the station. And we arrived at the entrance of the metro, it was closed. So on Sunday, when you come to Japan, be in mind they open at 7 o'clock on Sunday because there is a bit less people. So by chance we could catch a taxi and go to on time we will have a station and take the Shinkansen. And we are going to
today is Nagasaki.
But we will stop in Akata station, exactly. And the reason why we stop there is we want to have lunch there. And you think, well, okay, because also in the train you can get lunch. But we stop at this place because it's very famous for noodle. The taste is really great. We will describe when we will taste it. But the particular is when you are in this restaurant, you can't eat with friends, you can't eat with your family, you can't eat with your child, whatever. You have to eat alone. You and your bowl of noodles. So it looks like you are kind of a small cage inside. But before getting ordering the...
Okay, just a separation.
Yes, separation. And before you order the noodle, it's not just you said, I want a noodle. You have a questionnaire that is the copy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what they ask in this questionnaire, Megumi?
Normally asking, for example, the end here, ask how much the cook the noodle al dente or normal or really soft. What do you want? If you like al dente, put here. The sauce good.
Oh, it's cooked.
And if more soft you like, here. Or here is the spicy. How much is spicy? No spicy. Or normal. Or the double or triple until 5th time.
Maybe I will get really spicy. So you can choose your noodle and like it's like you're cooking at home, but someone you just order like a big chef, like a
Customize.
Yeah, you can customize. So you become a chef, but you don't cook yourself. You just choose what ingredients you have to be in. So we are really excited. Just talking about that makes me hungry. And anyway, so we have to wait probably another 2 hours. We will arrive.
3 hours.
Yeah, 2 or 3 hours we will arrive, and then we will be more than happy to share that experience to you. And let's wait a little bit and catch up later. Bye bye. Where we arrive in Akata station, which is an amazing station. It looks like a really department store, luxury department store, or even an airport. Look, just the floor. Everything is polished. Yeah. That is the entrance. Okay, let's go in. Megumi explained to us. Entrance, 10 to 20 hours. As you can see, the restaurant is very organized because already put the locker. You can leave your belonging in easily. So here it is. What we can get. I don't know what she said. Just repeat. I try to repeat. So, okay, Megumi.
I will try to the
Noodles.
normal.
Yeah, which one is this one?
This one.
Ah, it's not this one?
That is with egg.
Ah, okay. Standard one. No, egg is enough. So, attends, next time we put the money. Okay. Push.
That is the ticket.
Attends. And then you get a ticket. So easy process. So you can put the money, only cash only. You can put note or also coins. 10. Voila, you put the coins. Megumi is choosing. Where it is. And the ticket. Okay, fantastic. So first step done.
お客様失礼いたします。こちらお席でのご記入をお願いいたします。お連れ様のもご一緒にお願いします。お席ご案内いたします。
ありがとう、ありがとう。
こちらお願いします。ありがとうございました。申し訳ございません。失礼いたします。お客様、こちらのカウンター18番、19番お席お進みください。
Ah, comme ça.
失礼いたします。
Everyone here.
いらっしゃいませ。ありがとうございました。
Everyone have to sit. That will be my space. Okay. You can see the guy. You get. Hello. Konnichiwa. Itadakimasu. So Megumi is filling up our meal ticket. It's like playing lottery. Okay. Megumi did nice. My turn to choose which bowl of noodle I want. So let's see with Megumi.
Normal. Normal. The garlic.
Normal.
The spring onion. Green part, white part, niente. Nothing.
Both. Okay, green.
The meat. Yes.
Yes.
The chili.
3. Like spicy.
The al dente or normal?
And then
That is the Gino one.
okay, I get one. So and also I get the ticket. And now I push the button. Someone will come, pick up.
いらっしゃいませ。ご来店ありがとうございます。お伝えいたします。
Megumi already get picked up. And me.
お預かりいたします。
Arigato. And also here you get
少々お待ちくださいませ。失礼いたし
a
ます。
green water.
失礼いたします。はい、ありがとうございます。少々お待ちくださいませ。失礼いたします。
So you can even remove this part if you want. If you're alone, duck, you can close. But if you have a child, you can open. And like that you can check what your child is eating correctly or not. This idea of restaurant where is everything closed, I'm separate from Megumi and separate also from this other guy, is really like that. What happened is you get your bowl of noodle, you decide by filling up the form how you want it cooked, your noodle, which ingredient you want, the quantity of ingredient, and like that when you receive your noodle you just yourself a concentrate of the food. So that for the point of view of tasting, you really just can appreciate the food. So the idea is good, I think. I will try. I never tried that, so interesting, really interesting to do that. So it's amazing. Japan, that is one of the way how they imagine business, and also organize business. So I'm sure this kind of idea can be more developed for other food, but here just noodle is very famous for that Akata. Okay, so waiting now the noodle. I'm really hungry. Megumi is the other side. She's really hungry as well. She's waiting as well. How much spicy did you get? But one thing I think we will I will taste a little bit Megumi one, we will share, like it's good always to try different food. Okay, wait a little bit. I think our noodle, yes, we get it. So Megumi, already she mixed. You can see no much chili. Okay, enjoy it.
Thank you. Concentrate.
Yeah, now I have to concentrate. All right, concentrate the food. Mix. As you can see, the noodles are really thin compared with other Japanese noodle. The broth is really tasty. Okay. First bite. Yum. Meat is pork, so let's just which is really tasty. Well, that is a great experience. A bit nasty. I will open and check what Megumi is doing. Megumi is doing photo. I think she enjoyed it. So she wanna make a souvenir. How do you feel, Megumi?
Really yum.
Okay. So now we report.
Show the compare the yours.
Yeah, voila. You can see the different two soup.
Because mine is not much spicy, less spicy. This one is a the red soup is red. But compare mine is a soup is white, so I'm more spicy. Both of them is yum, I think.
And both of them are really enjoying. So
I will try.
As she's trying mine. What do you think? She said spicy, but for me it's fine, so okay. Should I try? Yes. Just the broad. Really tasty. Really tasty, yum. But not spicy enough for me. Okay. We just finished our amazing meal. Fantastic noodle, and we could customize everything we wanted, the way how it's been cooked, the ingredient they put inside, so everything has been fantastic. So I could focus in my food, and I really appreciate it. So our score for that place, the originality, the modern, the organization is 10 over 10. The food for me is a 10 over 10. So definitely we highly recommend that place if you come to Japan, and in Akata city is located in front of Akata station, so it's just like a 5-minute walk. So and you arrive in this restaurant. So bye from now. Now we are going a little bit around before we catch the train again to go to Nagasaki. We have a 1 hour time, so we enjoy the nice weather. It's warm here, so it's great. It's really spring, so everyone is outside. It's Sunday. There's a lot of happiness around, so we go around and see what we can see. Bye from now.